Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting video for you guys today, and it's my birthday, so I have on my birthday pin from Disney, and we're both wearing my favorite princess today. Madison has on her Belle shirt. I have on my Beauty and the Beast shirt. It's gonna be a good day, right? Okay, so I am so excited. I actually won something from Ears to Mickey. If you haven't checked out Ears to Mickey yet, Lindsay over here on YouTube, you totally need to go check out her channel as soon as you're done watching this, because she is amazing, and I just cannot believe that I actually won something on her channel, and I'm going to do the unboxing of the prize right now. So
So the prize was the Flower and Garden.
It's the Flower and Garden giveaway, and it was the April giveaway from the Ears to Mickey channel on YouTube. So I just want to thank Lindsay so much for this amazing giveaway that she did in the month of April. And also, I just want to say my favorite part of this giveaway was watching Lindsay pull my name and how excited she was that it was somebody that she knew. Like, I'm going to leave a link to that video above because that was honestly the best part. It was so funny to see her reaction when she pulled me as the winner. Alright, so let's open this up and see what's inside. I'll do the scissor part, but you can help me take all the stuff out. Okay? It's been so long that I actually don't even remember all of the contents. And Madison has no idea what's in here, right, Madison?
Right.
So you're really going to be excited.
So I'm gonna just start taking out some stuff. So the first thing that my mom got are these pink mini ears.
These are the millennial pink mini ears. Wow, I'm so excited. I'm like, I wanted these so bad. Can I wear them for the video?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to take anything else out yet? Because I have to put on these ears. Get the tag in the back. All right.
Okay.
Oh, they're like so pretty pink. They're like perfect for my birthday. I think I'll wear them all day on my birthday. What do you think?
Yeah.
I love them so much. They're so pretty. I have a little letter.
I'm gonna.
Oh.
So this is what she got.
Let me see. Hooray for friends, and it's Minnie and Daisy. Oh, Lindsay, you're so nice. Especially the kind who always seem to make life extra cheerful like you. This is so sweet. I just have a little note here from Lindsay, and so cute, this little Disney card. She's just, you guys have to check her out. If you don't already follow her channel, you totally have to check out Lindsay. She's so great.
Mom, it is the Beauty and the Beast rose in like this cup kind of. I think it's like a straw. Maybe?
Yeah, and I think, look, it lights up. I don't know if you can see because it's so bright in here, but the rose actually lights up, and it's the Epcot Flower and Garden Festival 2018. That's so pretty. Do you love this?
Yes.
I love this. This is amazing. This is like the best giveaway ever.
Okay, so the next thing, ooh, it's like those little pins.
Let me see. Flower and Garden Festival pin, fresh picked from Florida. This is so pretty. What a beautiful pin. I love this. Aw, and it's Mickey and Pluto. I love all the Flower and Garden Festival stuff. We're trying to go. We're hoping that the Flower and Garden Festival is going to be going on our next trip in February, so we might be there. So that'll be exciting.
What's this?
This is soap. This is soap from Basin. Yes, it's soap from Basin, and it has all these little Mickey heads in it.
And like flowers. Ooh, Mom.
That is so cute.
We got something else that you might want to wear.
This is the best birthday ever.
So we got these like flower mini ears.
These are the Epcot Flower and Garden Festival ears. Do you want to wear these for the video?
Yes.
Yes.
Ooh, look at this. It's like a...
Oh, it's a mystery bag. Wait, is this a pin? Disney handbag collectible pin pack. Do you want to open it?
Sure.
Do you want scissors to open it?
Okay.
Okay. Open it up.
Let's see what's in it. So there are multiple little pins.
Multiple pins. Ooh, there are multiple pins. We have, okay, so this is definitely going to be Rapunzel's bag.
And guys, like, if you didn't notice, Stitch is right here. So yeah, maybe it's like Elsa.
Oh, you might be right with the Elsa. Well,
Comment down below. Well, comment down below if you think it's Elsa.
Yeah.
Because actually, I found an Anna one.
Oh, you did?
So it's probably.
Oh, okay. Well,
Elsa
maybe.
and Anna.
Let's see. So this is the light blue one, and then Madison found. You think that's an Anna one?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
It looks exactly like.
Oh
Anna's
yeah, that's
dress.
definitely Anna. So yeah, maybe it's Elsa and Anna. Very cute.
And then-
And you have more?
Mhm.
Oh my gosh, how
And
many pins
then-
are in there?
We got I think Cinderella like handbag.
Nice. That's pretty.
Yeah, it like has a little heart in the middle.
That looks like it would be Cinderella.
Ooh, and then we got
Is that Belle?
Aurora.
Oh, Aurora. I saw the rose.
And then-
yes, you're right. That's Aurora.
And then what is this? I think it's like a Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse Rice Krispie treat.
Yes.
That's like decorated with icing.
Mini
and sprinkles.
Sweets birthday cake Rice Krispie treat. How perfect is that? And
Then
the
we
last
got.
thing.
Okay, so this is like another mini, and then in the back, well, like on the sides and stuff, there's like little colorful like sprinkles.
Nice. This is the Mini Sweets Fruity Rice Krispie treat. And they're in good condition. Lindsay, if you're watching this, I know you were worried that these were gonna melt because it's been so hot, but look, they're still like in perfect condition. So, what do you think? Was that amazing?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that was amazing. I love the ears. They're so cute. Do you like the ears?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna wear these on our
Nice.
next trip, definitely.
So-
So let me do a quick recap of everything that was in this amazing giveaway. So we have the really pretty millennial pink ears. We have the Epcot Flower and Garden Festival beautiful ears. The Epcot Flower and Garden Festival tumbler with the purple rose that lights up. And the really pretty soap from Basin. And it goes on and on. So many amazing pins. And I just started my pin collection. I usually just get 1 or 2 pins on every trip. So this is such a great addition to my pin collection. I love this one with Mickey and Pluto. And then the mystery bag, the handbag collection, all of the pins that we got in there. I can't believe how many we got. So yes, we have all of these. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins came in that pack. 5 pins, and they're all so pretty. Okay, and then, whoops. And then finally, the birthday cake Rice Krispie treat and the fruity Rice Krispie treat. And I actually have never tried these in the Disney parks. Have you, Madison? Have you ever had the Rice Krispie treats from the Disney parks?
I don't think so.
I don't think I have either.
I don't think they ever like had them.
No. Well, I'm really excited to try these. And thank you again, Lindsay, so much. Madison thanks you. I thank you. Best birthday unboxing ever. That was so much fun. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching me unbox my very special prize.
Can I?
Alone?
I want to say something.
Okay. I have to leave the room? Do I? Okay.
Okay, guys. real. So I just wanted to say, wish my mom a happy birthday, because like she's a crazy Disney fan. She loves all of these gifts. So like, thank you, Lindsay. My mom says thank you too, and just please wish my mom a happy birthday if you can. So yeah, have a good day. Have a fun Disney day. Mom, I saw you opening the door.
Can I come back now?
Yes.
So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys all have a great week. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram, because we share a lot there, and Madison's on Instagram a lot. There's a lot of Instagram pictures of Madison, for sure, right? So what was your favorite thing in the whole box? What was your favorite item?
Like all of the stuff.
All of it?
Were just like amazing.
Yes, everything was so amazing.
But
I don't even know if I could pick a favorite.
But I feel like the best one, my mom would probably think this too, is the light up rose.
I love that. And actually, when we were in Disney last time, I really wanted this, didn't I?
Yeah.
We were looking at them in the store. And I really love the ears. I love the ears so much.
They're
and if
so
we go,
squishy.
Yeah, and if we go to Flower and Garden Festival next year, I am so going to wear these ears like every day. Okay, thank you. Thank you again, Lindsay, so much. And have a great week. Take care. Bye.
Bye.